Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we are stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue. Hey, what's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got this interesting product that Purdy and Figg have kindly sent to us. So thank you to the team for sending out this review unit. This is a bottle of 3 essential oils that you'd use for powerful cleaning of your home. Eco-friendly as well, and we're going to be unboxing this specific item. And quickly, just before we do that, let's quickly have a look at the box. I've actually opened this already, but let's just quickly have a look at the sides. Cleaning transformed is what it says on the side, and purdyandfigg.com website information, and cleaning transformed is what was mentioned on here, and again the website information. So without any further ado, let's open the box and see what we have inside. Alright, so as soon as you open it, you get this information. Your refills are here, P&F, and as you get in, you get some more information about what is in there in the box. So 3 simple steps: pour in 20 milliliters of the concentrate, fill in tap water, gently shake and spray. So purdyandfigg.com, and they've got the social media sites to follow them. So if you're already using Purdy and Figg, you probably know that how nice they are, how good the smell is, and yeah, the whole thing is really, really good. So there's this card that's also included in the box. Our natural signature scents: uplifting citrus, balancing floral, and grounding vetiver. So log into your portal to access limited edition seasonal scents as well. So turn cleaning into a summer breeze is what it says. Purdy and Figg are essentially the bottles that are the refills. The first one is the balancing floral. It's the counter clean, so you could tabletops, counters, kitchen counters, and so on. This is wonderful for that. And let me just quickly open this one and get a good feel of this one. Oh, that smells really good. And let me just look at the bottle. Hasn't got much information, just says 20 milliliters. So this is basically the one refill, which you'd use for one full 1 litre bottle. And yeah, that should do the job for you. Purdy and Figg, this is the other one, grounding vetiver, counter clean. Again, this is also for the counter, but you can also use these on the floor. So it's got some information about the ingredients. Might be useful to have that information available. You could obviously look at the website for more information about the ingredients and stuff. So there's a warning as well. Let me do the honors and get a good smell of this. Oh, brilliant. This is so good. This is so good. So nice. I love it. Alright. This is the last one, which is the uplifting citrus. Again, counter clean it says. And some ingredients. It's got some alcohol as well. And I can see a bit of a dent on the top of the lid. But anyway, 20 milliliters. This is the uplifting citrus. And I'm going to quickly get a good feel of this one. Oh, brilliant, brilliant. They are so good. They smell so nice. It just goes into your body, lungs, and makes you feel so good. We recommend using Purdy and Figg. They're brilliant. They just changed the whole concept of cleaning at home. It gets completely changed. Yes, use tap water and refill with these. You don't ever have to buy any cleaning bottles. This is going to be perfect for you. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any questions or queries, please let me know. Follow us on our social media. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye for now.